Good afternoon, students. Chapter 7, Coordinate Geometry, Mathematics, video number 24. So these are some important concepts related to coordinate geometry. So last class we had discussed about section formula of internal division. So today we will discuss about section formula of external division. That means here we have considered one line AB. AB is a line which is externally divided by P. P is externally dividing AB. How dividing? One part is AP, another part is BP. That means AP is to BP is here, it is equal to M is to N. So there is written, if AB be a line where coordinate of A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 and AB is externally divided by a point P in the ratio M is to N. So that P point is not between A and B. If P point will come between A and B, that means it is not external division, it is internal division. So that means P point is dividing AB line from the outside. So you can place this P point either in right side or in left side. Then that is called external division. So section means part. What are the part? What is the part? AP is one part and BP length is another part. A to P distance is one part and B to P distance is another part. And that one is written as ratio M is to N, means AP length is to BP length. After getting AP length, then BP length by using distance formula, if you find out the ratio, then that ratio is M is to N. So now our target is what? We have to find coordinate of point P. How you will get the value of X and value of Y on the basis of coordinate of A and coordinate of B. We have to find P coordinate where X and Y already declared. So we have to find the value of A and value of Y on the basis of coordinate of A and coordinate of B with respect to division ratio M is to N. So M is to N means AP length is to BP length. AP length is to BP length. After that you have to do Katakuti, then you will get the lowest term. That lowest term will be the ratio. Suppose AP length is 9 and BP length is 6. Then if you cut by 3, then it will be 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6. Then your ratio is 3 is to 2. It is M is to N. That means here 9 is to 6 is equal to 3 is to 2. So 3 is to 2 will be the M is to N. So just I am considering one example. So now how you will get the coordinate of P? X value how you will get? So X value you will get M into X2 plus minus N into X1 by M plus N. And Y value you will get M into Y2 minus N into Y1 by M minus N. In the internal division formula there is plus, and in this it is external division formula, so there is minus. So that much difference is there. In internal means here you have to give plus, and external just you have to give here minus. Okay. So next concept is what? Collinearity of 3 points. Collinear means if the points are come in same straight line. Suppose there is given here one point, here one point, here one point. These 3 points are not in same straight line. But if you place this point here, that means these 3 points are in same straight line. That means A point, B point, C point. That means these 3 points are collinear. Either this way you can arrange, or maybe this way A, this one is B, and maybe in the middle C. Or suppose B, this one is C, BC, and this one is A. Like this also we can arrange. Okay. Or one more thing, suppose 3 points are collinear or not. Suppose we are just assuming 3 points are in this way. Suppose A coordinate, B coordinate, C coordinate. If this area of the triangle is equal to 0, that means this point is on the base BC. On the base BC. That means BAC are collinear because it will not occupy any area. That's why that value is 0. If this area is equal to 0, that means area is equal to 0 means no space is occupied by these three sides. That means these 3 points are collinear, so they are not occupying any amount of space. So that's why written criteria number condition number 4, that means D condition, area of triangle ABC is equal to 0 with respect to A coordinate, B coordinate, C coordinate. If you will get the area of triangle ABC is equal to 0, then also 3 points are collinear. If you will get BC length plus AC length equal to AB, BC length plus AC length is equal to AB. There you have to use distance formula. First of all, you have to find out distance of BC point, then distance of AC point. After that, their sum is equal to distance of AB. Then also 3 points are collinear. If AB plus AC equal to BC, there you have to apply distance formula. AB length you have to find, AC length you have to find, BC length you have to find. These three you have to find. After that, AB plus AC equal to BC. But there you have to use distance formula. For finding AB length, you have to use distance formula. For finding AC length, you have to use distance formula. Same to same. These all. So these four are the terms and condition for collinearity of 3 points. Next is how we will get the area of a triangle with respect to 3 vertices of a triangle. Suppose triangle is ABC and that coordinate of the vertices A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2 and C is x3, y3. Then how we will get the area of a triangle? Area of a triangle ABC is equal to half. Then this sign is modulus. This sign is modulus. Modulus sign you have to take. Then inside the modulus sign there is x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2, and that is the formula to get the area of a triangle ABC, where the 3 vertices ABC, there is given coordinate of the 3 vertices. With the help of these 3 vertices, we can find the area of a triangle. If this area is equal to, if this area value is equal to 0, means these 3 points are collinear. Suppose these 3 area is not equal to 0, that means this one, these 3 points are not collinear. It will one triangle. You can say that one will be a triangle. If this area is equal to 0, then that one is not a triangle because that 3 points are collinear. If it is not equal to 0, that means it is a triangle. It is a triangle because it has one definite area. Today, this much.